The Himalaya conjure up images of giant snow-capped mountains and expansive rivers tumbling through lush green terraces. But climate change threatens even the greatest of nature's creations. The glaciers and river basins of the Hindu Kush Himalaya are considered a climate change hotspot. Temperatures in the mountains of the Hindu Kush Himalaya are expected to be warmer by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius by 2050, and in some places even by up to 4 to 5 degrees Celsius compared to what they were at the beginning of the century. This will affect the lives of more than 1 billion people. Changes in temperatures, rainfall patterns, melting rates of glaciers, and river flows will cause unexpected floods, heat waves, water shortages, and droughts in the region. We will see great impact on agriculture, energy, water, human health, and habitats. Farmers and socially marginalized groups, such as indigenous peoples and women, are particularly vulnerable and will need help to adapt and build resilience to these changes. Although the Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra river basins are one of the most populous and disaster-prone regions in the world, knowledge about the changing climate and how people are coping is still limited. Therefore, at HiAware, our goal is to improve the adaptive capacity and climate resilience of the poor and vulnerable people in these river basins. HiAware is a consortium made up of 5 consortium members and 6 strategic partners. In addition, HiAware partners with 9 universities. We work with local communities and research partners to identify the factors that make people vulnerable to climate change, and we ensure our research is put to use. We are one of 4 research consortia under the Collaborative Adaptation Research Initiative in Africa and Asia, CARIA, supported by the United Kingdom's Department for International Development, DFID, and Canada's International Development Research Centre, IDRC. HiAware is present in 12 study areas in the mountains, hills, and plains of the Indus, Upper Ganga, Gandaki, and Tisa river basins in Pakistan, India, Nepal, and Bangladesh. We analyze critical moments, the times of the year when people are most vulnerable to specific climate risks. We explore short and long-term policies to respond to these critical moments. We co-create and share the results of our research with local communities and our partners. We build capacity focusing on master's, MPhil, and PhD students to conduct research on climate change adaptation. We test promising adaptation practices and approaches. Finally, we build on existing knowledge and initiatives in various fields such as agriculture, health, energy, heat stress, and water to take our work further. Ultimately, HiAware will be judged on whether it contributes to improving the adaptive capacity and climate resilience of poor and vulnerable people of the Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra river basins.